Okay, onto the wall with our first length. Now this was paste the wallpaper. I still pasted it. I prefer using pliable, easy to handle paper. If this was bone dry and I was going round corners, round sockets, I find it really difficult. If you paste the paper, when it's a pasteable product, it just means you paste one at a time. Paste one, hang one, don't let it soak. If it's a paste the paper product, you let it soak for a few minutes. This isn't, it's not a problem as long as I put this on the wall straight away and don't let it soak. So, holding at the top two corners so you can move it up and down, just place your paper with that approximately 2 inch excess, so I know that every length is going to have that 2 inches. So I just look for my level line, just push it over, and because I've sealed this wall, I can move this paper side to side. I guarantee you, if that wall wasn't sealed, I'd put that on the wall and that's it, I wouldn't be able to move it. I can move this around to match my vertical level. Once it's stuck here, you can let it go and start working with it. With this strong paste, that's what that does as well. It gives you immediate grip, but you've still got the slip. Then with your vinyl smoother, with your blade, just gently push into the sealing line. Use your hands, it's not a problem. One thing I haven't got, I'll just stop and walk back.